In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify using Printful. This process is a fantastic way to start your own online business without managing inventory or dealing with fulfillment directly. Let's walk through the steps so you can get your store up and running smoothly. To begin, the first thing you need to do is sign up or log into your Printful account. If you don't already have an account, it's easy to create one by visiting the Printful website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Stores section. Here, you'll find the option to Connect Store. Click on this and then select Shopify from the list. Doing so will integrate your Printful and Shopify accounts, making the process of selling products seamless. Now that you've connected your store, the next step is to install the Printful app on your Shopify store. From your Shopify dashboard, head to the Apps section and search for Printful. Install the app and it will automatically sync with your Printful account. This integration is crucial because it allows you to import products from Printful directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Once the Printful app is installed, it's time to either create a new product or choose from existing ones in Printful. Take your time to decide on a product you're excited to sell. Add your unique design, set the price, and then push it to Shopify. This is where your creativity comes into play. Designs that resonate with your target audience can make all the difference. Having added your products, let's move on to customizing your product pages in Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel, find the product you just imported, and start customizing it. You can change titles, add product descriptions, pricing, and even choose the images that will most appeal to your customers. Once you're satisfied with how things look, publish your product page so that it goes live on your site. Finally, one of the greatest advantages of using Printful is that it automates order fulfillment. This means that when customers buy from your store, Printful will take care of printing the item and shipping it directly to them. This automation allows you to focus on growing and promoting your business rather than managing logistical details. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to start selling your own custom-designed products using Shopify and Printful. As you get started, remember that success takes a bit of experimentation and dedication. Play around with different designs, keep your product creations fresh, and engage with your customers. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you create.